What's up, peoples? Hi, I'm gonna make a flapping bird. Here, I'll show you how to make it. Oh, when I make my videos, this is gonna be an origami channel playlist. If you're gonna hear my baby brother in the background, say hi to the world, Nam. Say hi to the world.
Hi to the world.
Say hi to the world.
Hi. Hey, Beth.
If you want to see him again, comment. I'm gonna show you how to make a flapping bird. Come on, let's go. Yay! Slidey. I just cut it out from these stuff, which is pretty useless to me, I guess. So let's go. You start by taking the top, bring it to the bottom, make a rectangle. See, look at that artisticness. Alright? So then, this middle cross, don't pay attention to this. Well, maybe later. Take a scissor and cut through the middle. Yay! Now you can make 2 flapping bird nests. Peace out. Well, I'm not going now, but I'm just feeling it. Now take the half you want and fold it halfways. Like so. And take this. Like every corner, you take the middle crease you made and you do this, make a triangle like this, see? And do it to all 4 corners. Yeah! Nothing. Now you make sure this side, peoples. Now you fold it like this, like a bow. Alright. Now you it's kind of like take this top, bring it to the middle, and make it like a little crease, like about 3 inches. This. See like a crease? Alright? And then you flip it over. You bring it like this. Alright? And you see this crease you made? Make sure it's still bent. And it's still like this. Make sure you put your finger in there though. But I'm not saying you're supposed to be gay or something. When you put your finger in there, you make like the crease. Like so. Like a bird wing. Yay! Chicken wing. Yeah! I'm hungry, Tomorrow's Mother's Day anyway. I'm having cake. The chocolate one. See, now you do this. You see your crease you made? Then you bring it up from the bottom. And make sure it's not all the way. Make sure not close to, well, it should be like that much. And you hold it like this. And there, you got flapping bird. Great for Mother's Day if your mother likes birds. Caw-caw. Subscribe to me. subscribe or I kill you. I'm just kidding. Subscribe though. Make me new friends. Peace out. Homer cheese. Peace out. Now, say bye to the world.